This is Viking Pump's Machine Shop in Cedar Falls, Iowa. Continual investments in machines and people simplify and expedite production, enabling the shipment for thousands of products every year. The Machine Shop is Viking Pump's largest facility. Since its opening in 1960, the shop has undergone multiple expansions and has now grown to 320,000 square feet. Today, this facility houses many departments, including machining, tooling, assembly, paint, shipping, quality, procurement, and planning. In the machine shop, parts are machined from castings and bar stock. Dimensions, especially those inside the pump cavity, must be precise to ensure the pumps operate efficiently and are capable of high pressures and self-priming. Our machinists perform quality checks throughout the machining process. In the sub-assembly area, individual parts are pressed or pinned together into sub-assemblies. Examples include rotor and shaft assemblies and idler and bushing assemblies. These and other parts are gathered for final assembly. In final assembly, the parts and sub-assemblies are put together as a complete pump according to the pump's bill of material. Each Viking pump receives a quality test prior to shipping. For most pumps, this involves a run test and hydrostatic pressure test. Pumps requiring certified testing are transferred to the Viking Pump Product Engineering Lab. When testing is complete, the pumps are ready for paint. Most pumps receive a coat of Viking Pump blue paint. While many pumps, especially those for replacement, will be shipped individually, others need to be built into a complete unit. Viking Pump units include a base plate and can also include a motor, couplings, guards, reducer, or V-belts. Completed pumps and units are then boxed and shipped to Viking Pump distributors and customers all over the world. Over the course of more than 110 years, that's been over 7 million pumps and counting. To learn more about the Viking Pump Machine Shop or any of Viking Pump's facilities, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.